Alright, so today's video is going to be a little different, and here's why. Remember that CMF Watch 3 Pro leaks video we made a while back? Yeah, turns out a bunch of you are still watching that after the watch actually launched. But the weird thing, no one's really broken it down properly post-launch, so let's fix that. There are a few big changes this time, some good, some kind of questionable. First up, the display. It's bigger now, 1.43 inches of circular AMOLED goodness. That's a nice jump from the 1.32 inches on the Watch Pro 2. Plus it's brighter too, 670 nits versus the old 620. But here's the catch, no more swappable bezels, but you do get different bezel for different watch, so select carefully. It looks cleaner, sure, but I know some of you liked customizing the previous one. Now let's talk AI, because CMF definitely wants this thing to feel smarter. You can literally talk to ChatGPT from your wrist now. As long as your phone's nearby, ask it stuff and it'll reply back. There's also AI-powered running guidance, so after your jog, it'll tell you how hard you pushed yourself, how long you need to recover, and even guess how fast you could run a 5K or 10K. And this one's cool. It has a voice recorder that transcribes your notes automatically. No more forgetting random ideas mid-walk. Battery life? Slight bump, 350 milliamp hour now, which gives you up to 13 days of typical use. The Watch Pro 2 had 11, so not massive, but hey, more is more. The watch supports gesture control, where different wrist movements can trigger certain actions. Now before we get into fitness stuff, let's talk GPS. The Watch 3 Pro now supports dual band tracking and 5 satellite systems. That means it should lock on faster and stay more accurate, especially in tough spots like city streets or trails. The old one, just multiple satellite systems, no dual band, so yeah, solid upgrade here. Alright, health and fitness time. The new heart rate sensor, it's a 4-channel one, which basically means more data and better accuracy, especially across different skin tones or intense workouts. You've also got SpO2 stress tracking, breathing exercises, sleep tracking, women's health modes, the full package. And they bumped up the sports modes too, over 130 now compared to 110 on the last one. Runners, cyclists, yoga folks, you're all covered. Bluetooth calling is still here, but with an extra mic now, so voice clarity should be better during calls. Also, the app got a makeover. CMF ditched the old one and now uses the Nothing X app. And since the watch runs on a custom real-time OS, everything should be super smooth, 60 Hz animations and all. Now for the price, this one's gone up a bit. You're looking at around 99 bucks, 99 euros, 99 quid, or about 8,500 rupees. That's quite a jump from the Watch Pro 2, which launched closer to $70. Still, for what it offers, not bad. It's available in the US, UK, and Europe already, and India's launch should be just around the corner. So yeah, would you buy the Watch 3 Pro, or is the price hike a deal breaker? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.